Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Again, because I didn't really have much stuff to talk about, we're making chocolate chip cookies and it's gonna be great. So this is maybe gonna be a bit of a longer video, which is might have come out later, but yeah, hopefully I'm hoping to get the scooter review out in a few days, but I'm doing a montage in it that's taking quite a little while to edit, so we shall see. It'll probably be out this week, so look forward to that. And this weekend I'm gonna go downtown really early in the morning on Saturday and get some shots of the streets just like empty. So that'll be the vlog for that day. But otherwise I really don't have anything, so if I just miss one day, it's because I literally don't have anything to talk about because we're literally doing nothing. So these are the ingredients. Pause this now if you want to remake this recipe at any point. Okay, so we have all the ingredients out, and now we're gonna start actually making them, and then I'm gonna bake them and then taste test them at the end, and it's gonna be great. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugars with a wooden spoon until soft and light in color. Butter, 170 grams of sugar, just a little bit more, 168, 169, 170, and in the bowl, and 170 grams of brown sugar. And we're actually using a different type of sweetener because we need our brown sugar for another thing later, so. And there we go, that is 170. Put this in here. Cream. And now, whisk the eggs with a fork, but you can use anything, in a cup. You'll also want to do this for 2 eggs. Now, slowly mix both eggs into the butter-sugar mixture. Now, pour 368 grams of all-purpose flour into a bowl. I'd recommend you sieve the flour as you put it into the bowl. Now, put 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda into the bowl. This with your finger. Next, you're gonna want to put 1 teaspoon of salt into the bowl. So put your salt into the bowl, sieve all the ingredients together. Now, mix in the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Make sure you clean off your mixer. Once you're done chopping the chocolate, fold it in. Make sure you preheat your oven to 355 degrees if it's a convection oven, and 375 degrees if it's not. We unfortunately do not have enough chocolate in this bar to meet the recipe. So we have to use a whole lot. But I'm fine with more chocolate. A lot of chocolate. I'm doing this like I actually know how to do this. But you want to mix as thoroughly as you can though, to get them all evenly dispersed throughout the dough. Now chill your dough in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now, using a tablespoon measure or ice cream scoop, which works best, take out big scoops, make them into balls, and put them on the tray. Put your cookies in the oven. And bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Now that they're done, take them all off the baking tray and put them on a wire rack to cool. Taste test. They're really good. Okay, so that is that for this video. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. I will probably do another one of these in the future. This is actually filmed only a couple hours before this video has to go up, so I'm gonna go edit this. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.